finishes if they know you have to stay out.
Hi, welcome to the How to Make a Mega Movie deal. The show's going to start over here with Grandpa. He's going to give a brief introduction. Then it's going to switch over to this screen here. It's one continuating story throughout, and when this screen finishes, there's 6 video kiosks. They can be viewed in any order, and you can view as many as you like. Then there's another short movie which runs about 2 to 2.5 minutes. It's the story of Jack Archer and how he works his way through the mailroom with the aid of AT&T. To becoming a movie mogul, I should say. Now, before we begin, I'd just like to draw your attention to the Vice phone. It was developed in the 1920s by Western Electric and Bell Laboratories. It brought synchronized sound to the movies. And we also have one of the original discs from the 1926 movie Don Juan with John Barrymore. It was the first movie to have a musical soundtrack. And we also have one from the first talkie from 1927, The Jazz Singer with Al Jolson. Oh, before you go into the kiosk area, one thing, if you stay in larger groups, rather than pressing every kiosk at the same time, you'll enjoy it a lot more. When the kiosks are all running at once, it's loud, it's confusing, and you won't enjoy it. So, for now, keep your eyes glued to Grandpa. Hope you like it.
Glad to see you. My name is Jack Archer. The first. Look over there. I worked on that. It's called a vital phone. That gadget brought sound to the movies back in 1926. AT&T helped give the silver screen its golden voice. My son Jack II was on the team when AT&T wired America for television. Well, what I'm trying to say is that AT&T and the Archers are big in show business. So, no surprise that my grandson, Jack III, got himself a job at Universal Studios. That boy's got big dreams. See them come alive on that screen over there. It's just the beginning. Don't miss it.
Make it in the movies, my talent on the line. Make it in the movies, stars, I'm gonna shine. Gonna climb step to fortune, reaching to touch the plane. Starting at the bottom, certainly over one day.
Sam Sparkle is buying Love Me Forever. The Variety says it'll be another Gone with the Wind. Whatever Sam Sparkle wants, Sam gets. Someday I'm gonna produce blockbuster movies. Listen, Jack, I don't want to burst your bubble.
Hey, Frank, how you doing today? You have a good day? Just one more moment, sir.
Okay. Listen, Jack, you're new to the mailroom. I've been there 10 years. I'm still waiting to be discovered. And I'm telling you, kid, you ain't going anyplace without connections. Connections.
All right, come on, let's get it out of here. Hurry up. Get it out of here. Get it out of here.
I got connection. Connection put me through. And I'm connecting to make my dreams come true. I got connection. Your connection put me through. And I'm connecting to make my dreams come true.
Mail, Jack Archer III.
Sam Sparkle, the one and only.
Sam Sparkle! Yes, sir. Mr. Sparkle, I've seen all your pictures at least 10 times. I know everything about them. I know the way you are.
Calm yourself, kid. Calm yourself. Tell me, anything come in from Tibet? I'm waiting for that contract for Love Me Forever. It's a matter of life and death.
No, nothing yet, sir. Sometimes the mail gets a little bit...
Why can't a writer learn to write her name on a contract?
Who leaked this story to Variety? I'm telling you, kid, this picture is driving me bananas. I can't get the book rights. I don't have any stars. I need somebody to write the music, and Why am I telling all this to a kid in the mailroom?
Well, actually, I think it's because of you. Look.
Sir, if there's anything I can do, Yeah, let me know the minute the contract comes in, okay, buddy boy? Yes, sir. You're beautiful.
Sam, you are lucky you called me. You need a contract. You need music. You need stars. Oh, I will move mountains. I'll swim rivers.
Oh, Jack, snap out of it.
My buddy, Sam Sparkle. Oh, he needs help? He calls me.
Your buddy, Sam Sparkle? You meant the rubber cement?
My grandfather, Jack the First. He was on the microphone. He gave sound to the movies. And my father, Jack the Second. He wired the nation for TV. Do I have connections? But you bet. Move over, world. Here comes Jack Archer the Third.
Here comes trouble.
And the story continues to the right. The kiosks are activated by pressing the button. And again, stay in large groups.
I know we have copies. Oh, my grandfather.
Microphone systems and rug sounds for the silver screen. Yeah, I know.
This. Sam Smart wants Rock Musselman for the male lead of Love Me Forever. Now, Rock's agent said that he's booked for the next 1,000 years. Okay, excuse me. Just
Listen, Jack, if Sparkle struck out, how are you going to get to it?
direct contact. Word of mouth. It's one-on-one. Sure.
Monica Boyd, she takes calls, but Musselman is famous for Unicom. You said it yourself, he doesn't even have an answering machine. He spent all day calling his house. Boy smart. What is he, something like back then?